And Brain Balance San Diego is looking to help parents during the days of distance learning. And joining us to discuss the programs offered by the center is Amanda Lee. Amanda, thank you so much for joining us. This is definitely a topic that is the top of mind to so many parents right now.
Yeah, it is. We're getting a lot of calls with families struggling with focus and learning, whether they're in the classroom or at home.
That's exactly right. And for those that maybe just have never heard of it, give us just an idea of what Brain Balance is and the programs that you offer.
Sure. Brain Balance is a holistic drug-free program that supports families and kids who are struggling academically, socially, or behaviorally. So as I mentioned, it could be an issue of focus and attention, but it also can be defiance. It could be struggles with reading comprehension or even dyslexia, study processing, really a number of the neurological disorders.
And when you start talking about programs that are happening right now, I know you have one the 24th. What exactly will that focus on, and how can parents, if they want to sign their child up or get involved, what do they need to do?
Well, in general, our program, our center is open, by the way, during this time for in-center assessments and as well as a hybrid or virtual program. And what we try to do in these free workshops, including on Thursday for dyslexia, is really inform the community and be a resource to help parents really get through this time and through their child's lives. A lot of times, parents who have been struggling with these types of challenges have gone through the ringer and gone through the schools, or they haven't at all. Sometimes we get these first-time calls. And these interventions tend to just put a Band-Aid on what's happening and do is get to the root of it and help you stay informed.
And what are you seeing as the biggest struggle with parents that are trying to juggle not only working from home, but having children that maybe need extra attention that they aren't able to give?
Right now, I think a lot of it is structure. Structure is all vocal and in a routine, and you need that all year round, whether or not they're in school or not. And so once you establish structure and routine, you're able to be consistent and really give yourself grace and patience. Then, take that next step to support your child. But I hear you. A lot of parents, I don't know how you do it, and my heart is out to you, and that's why we're here for you as well. It is a challenging time if you're working full-time or part-time, and you're expected to be your child's homeschooled as well. It's a challenge, and you're going to need extra support, and that's what we're here for.
And I read that Harvard has actually looked at some of the programs, and step us through that, and again, just kind of what the significance would be for a child who's maybe has ADHD or another just learning disability that makes this a little bit more challenging to be virtual.
Yeah, right now, if you have a challenge with attention or executive functioning, this is an umbrella of everyday skills that you need to be able to turn on the computer, follow step-by-step directions, have appropriate auditory or visual processing. If any of those areas of your brain are underdeveloped, especially the connections in the brain, you're not going to be able to function at your best. And you're literally working maybe twice as hard, if not more, than your average peer. And so working with universities like Harvard and UC San Francisco on the type of work that we do, again, working on these sensory motor exercises to balance the brain, really help kids get that balance to be able to function at their best and really reach their potential.
Absolutely. And again, one last time, can you tell us how parents can get involved, what the website is, and where they can go?
Yeah, visit us at brainbalancesandiego.com. You can learn a lot of information about what our program is about, how our comprehensive assessment is so different than what's out there, as well as upcoming events. We have webinars, blogs, and again, dyslexia is on Thursday, introduction to dyslexia is on Thursday, as well as these tips for distance learning coming up in October, as well as attention to focus action.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for your time. We're going to put this online so parents can refer back to it if they want to learn more information. We really appreciate it. Thanks so much.
Have a good night.